What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making baked mac and cheese. So, cheers, and let's cook. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. Now I'm going to bring a pot of water to a boil. To that pot, I'm going to add a bit of salt so it's salty like the sea. In a separate pan, I'm going to melt 1 stick or half a cup of butter. The butter is melted, so I'm just going to turn the heat off and let that sit there. Our water is boiling, so now I'm going to go in with 1 pound of elbows. And my al dente time on those is 7 minutes, so I'm going to cook them for 6 minutes and then strain them. We'll just stir that every once in a while they're cooking. I have my melted butter, so next we're going to take our baking dish and just brush some of that butter around the dish. You could also just spray it with some non-stick spray. I'm going to use my melted butter. Now it's time to build our mac and cheese. We have our strained macaroni in a bowl. To that, I'm going to add the rest of our melted butter. Two cups of shredded cheddar cheese. About 2 teaspoons of salt. And a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll just give that a nice mix. Now we'll set that to the side. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add 2 cups of whole milk, as well as 3 large eggs. We'll just whisk that together. I'm going to go into my baking dish with half of the macaroni mixture. Just spread that out evenly. I'm going to add 2 cups of Colby Jack shredded cheese over the top of that. Now, add the rest of my pasta. That's spread out nice and evenly. Now we're going to pour that milk and egg mixture over our pasta mixture. The last thing we need to do before going into the oven is just cover that with some tin foil. I'm going to bake that at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Just got that out of the oven, took the tin foil off. Now to finish it, I'm just going to top that with 2 more cups of cheddar cheese. And then we're going to go back under our broiler for about 2 minutes or until that cheese is nicely brown. That is looking good. So we're just going to let that rest for about 15 minutes before we scoop into it. We've got some delicious baked mac and cheese here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.